Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for February 14th, 2023. Coca-Cola gets higher profits by cutting costs. Coca-Cola HBC AG reported higher than expected operating profit for 2022 on Tuesday, helped by higher prices and cost-saving measures. However, the company expects organic operating profit to rise between plus 3% and minus 3% in 2023. The company's profit for the year ended December 31st fell about 12% to 703.8 million euros, $755.5 million, beating analyst consensus forecast of 658.2 million euros. Despite a shift in consumer spending as shoppers opt for cheaper alternatives amid rising inflation, packaged beverage and food manufacturers continue to see strong demand for their products despite rising prices. The Swiss-based company's diverse range includes alcoholic drinks such as the Macallan and Jack Daniel's, Sprite and Monster Energy carbonated drinks, and Bambi biscuits and waffles. According to the company's consensus, analysts on average expect organic operating profit to be around 865.6 million euros in 2023, reflecting a 23% year-on-year increase. Binance native token plunges amid investigation. The Binance native token led losses among major cryptocurrencies on Tuesday amid fears of action against the exchange's affiliates in the U.S., while fears of increased regulatory scrutiny also impacted broader cryptocurrency markets. The Binance Exchange's BNB token fell more than 7% and was close to a one-month low. The token has fallen more than 10% in the past 7 days as media reports that U.S. company Paxos, which issues tokens for the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has come under scrutiny from regulators. This week, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) flagged potential regulatory action against Paxos in connection with its issuance of the Binance USD (BUSD) stablecoin, calling it an unregistered security. The move came shortly after the New York Department of Financial Services ordered Paxos to stop mining BUSD tokens. The regulator's ruling represents a significant factor in preventing Binance from capturing market share in the high-yield stablecoin space. On-chain data show that Binance saw a significant spike in BUSD withdrawals and redemptions following the move. Oil prices fall amid U.S. crude stockpile data. Oil prices fall amid U.S. crude stockpile data. Oil prices fell on Tuesday after the U.S. government said it would release more oil from its Strategic Petroleum Reserve (SPR), and required by lawmakers, contrary to some traders' expectations that the release could be cancelled or delayed. Brent crude futures fell 0.5% to $86.18 a barrel, while U.S. crude futures fell 0.89% to $79.43 a barrel. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Energy (DOE) said after the previous session that it would sell 26 million barrels of oil from SPR inventories, which would likely reduce stocks to their lowest level since 1983. DOE had considered canceling the sale of reserves for fiscal 2023 after U.S. President Joe Biden's administration sold a record 180 million barrels from reserves last year. But that would have required a decision by Congress to change the mandate. On Tuesday, traders will be looking for clues in crucial U.S. Consumer Price Index (SPI) data for January. Monthly U.S. consumer prices rose in the previous 2 months rather than falling as previously thought, raising the risk of higher inflation in coming months.